Hello traders, my name is Anka Metcalf, president of TradeOutloud.com, the premier online and on-site trading school for Forex equities and futures day traders and investors. Today is May 12, 2013, and we will be looking at our game plan for Aussie dollar currency pair for the week of 13/17/2013. Right in front of us, we have a monthly chart of the Aussie dollar. And what we witnessed right here this week is the break of the support line right here into this area. So we breached the support line and we have entered a tradable void, which means that we have room to run lower and fill this tradable void to an approximate area of 0.9689. So we triggered, and it seems that we can continue this move lower. Now let's move to the weekly chart and see what's happening on the weekly chart. You see it more defined when we zoom in. You see this breach in the support line, and you see that it can actually move. The price action suggests that it can actually fill this tradable void at 0.9689. Now let's move to the daily chart. Same here. You see the support line right here, this breach, this violent action to the downside, that supports the move lower. If you're not in this trade, look for a pullback. Look for a pullback on the 4-hour chart. I would look for previous day's low into this area, 1.0050. Any retracement into this area is shortable. If you should get a much larger pullback into this area right here of 0.134, then look for a short again into this area. Just remember, the more the price consolidates lower and weaker into this area, the more is going to suggest that it is weakening, and that tradable void is going to be probably filled. This is a zoom in into the 1 hour time frame. And you could see a consolidation develop right here, right at 1.0093. Never traded above that point. Triggered lower to 1.0046. Broke this support line right here, and it continued lower. Okay, so the price action supports another leg down. Now let's move to the 15-minute chart. If you're a day trader, this is what you're going to be looking at. Look at this consolidation right here of 1.0094. This is a lot of resistance into this area. A lot of resistance formed into this area. You could see the lower pivot that formed. You could see the support area right here that created this resistance right up to this point of 1.0045. The price continued to move lower, created this high right here. Day traders, look at this area of 1.0030. If this area holds, look for a short entry below this area. Look for a short entry around this area of 1.0000. So this is your entry point, and this is your stop. Look for a follow through to this area, 0.9958, and then look for a much larger tradable void that we saw right here. Okay, so your targets on these on this move is going to be, of course, the low of this candlestick that was formed last week, and this is for day traders. And then look again at the whole numbers. Okay, so you're going to be looking at these numbers right here, okay, of 9800, 9700, and 9650 fulcrum area. So these are your targets for the Aussie dollar. Thank you for listening to us. If you like our recordings, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. And for more information about our company, our education, visit us online at www.tradeoutloud.com, and visit our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/tradeoutloud. Thanks for watching. See you next time.